the free body diagrams drawn for the objects of problem 7. So we got a motionless object. That means we've got the normal force pointing up and the gravity force pointing down. Now, the object is sliding at constant speed without friction. Now, there may have been a force that got it moving in the first place, but now that it is moving, we don't need to explain that anymore. So we only have the normal force going up and the gravity force pointing down. There is no force of forward motion. For number 3, we've got the normal and we've got the gravity force going backwards. Now, it's slowing down, so that must be caused by the kinetic friction force acting backwards. And here, there is no force of sliding. There is the normal force from the surface that slants perpendicular to the surface, and we have the gravity force pointing down. Remember, gravity comes from planet Earth, and it always pulls objects directly to the center. So Earth doesn't care that this thing's on a hill. It just drags it straight down. And remember, there is no force of sliding, so these are the only two forces. Now for number 5, again, we have the normal force diagonally. We've got the gravity force pointing down, and we have a friction force that prevents the sliding going up the hill. Finally, for the last one, we have the gravity force pointing down, and what's actually holding the object up is the tension force from the rope. So that's problem number 7.